Hey, so, most of you probably know Criss Angel. He's a magician. And, one sec. So, he is a magic trick using toothpicks. They're toothpicks. See it? Well, I improved his with using a match because what he uses is also tape. And sorry for my phone ringing, but yeah. So here, I'll show you how to do it without tape. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it. So you're gonna get your thumb and you're gonna lick it just a bit. And since you lick that, it's going to be sort of sticky. And then you're going to get this and put it right there. See? Right there. Right there. And then you're going to cover it with this finger. Like this. Okay, good. It fell off. Okay. I'm gonna do the magic trick now. Okay, so right here. Where is it? It's right there. Right there. So try this at home. Don't light the match. Bye.